Yegi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a full classic set with brown eyelashes. And we're going to do a round shape so you can see how nice and natural brown eyelashes look and see your preference between the brown and the black eyelash extensions. The reason why you may want to use brown eyelashes versus the black ones is for the clients that naturally have blonde or reddish hair tones. So this makes them look more natural. It goes better with their complexion versus the dark black eyelashes. But again, it's not wrong to use the black eyelashes on clients with blonde or red hair. They might still prefer the darker look and get a mascara look versus more of a natural look. For clients who tell me they really want to stay as natural as possible, that's when I use the brown eyelashes. We will also share a technique of taping the natural eyelashes and the extensions up in order to see different layers. So that's a cool, neat trick you can try with clients if you're having a hard time isolating layered eyelashes. I hope you enjoyed the video and let's jump into it. Let's quickly map out the look so you can see what I'm going to be doing on this model. We're going to use the brown mink eyelashes, which are vegan and animal friendly. We are going to use a mixed tray and use lengths 10 through 12 as you can see on the mapping sheet. We will use a B curl because the brown eyelashes are a little bit curlier than a regular B, so I'm using a B instead of a C to get an average look. And we're going to do a doll eye shape. So let's go ahead and jump into the application. We're going to start by showing you something new. We're actually going to use an extra under eye patch to pull up the eyelid in order to see the client's natural eyelashes better. So this works well with clients who may have eyelids that are kind of covering their eyelashes and you can't really see the base of their natural eyelashes, or for clients who have really straight eyelashes and they're kind of sticking to the under eye patch and you can't really glue the extension on it without gluing it on the eye patch. It helps lift them up a little bit for easier application. We are going to isolate one natural eyelash at a time and apply one eyelash extension on top of that one natural eyelash, because we are doing a natural classic look. Now, for the full-on tutorial on doing a full classic set, check out, there's a link below and it will break down the taping, isolation, how far you should place the eyelash. It's a really good video. It's a lot longer, but for this video, I just want to mainly focus on the taping with the under eye patch since it's something new for you guys I haven't done before. But again, we want to make sure we're isolating properly. We're not sticking any natural eyelashes together. We are directing the eyelashes to go straight up. We can help with our tweezers after applying. If they tilt left or right, we can adjust it with our tweezers before the glue dries. Now, let me show you how to tape up some of the natural eyelashes with the under eye patch to be able to see additional layers underneath. Now, when you're doing this, it is very important that you're still going to be isolating the same way that you were isolating the eyelashes before. You still want to grab your tweezers and isolate, get one natural eyelash in between. I didn't get a good shot of this on this model, but you would just be isolating regularly. On this specific eyelash, you see how we just placed it without really isolating. Now, that's okay only in one or two scenarios, especially if you don't see any other natural eyelashes that are sticking to it and you've lifted most of the natural eyelashes up and you see clearly that there's only one eyelash separated. You can go ahead and just glue it on just like that instead of isolating with the tweezers. If not, we're going to go ahead and still isolate with one hand just like this and get one eyelash extension between the tweezers while the natural eyelashes are taped up, and go ahead and glue the extension right on top. Wish I had a little bit more better clips to show you as it was taped up, but maybe in another video. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and write any comments that you have or any future videos you'd like me to record for you. I appreciate all the help and feedback I can get. And also go follow us on Instagram at Yegi Beauty. We do monthly giveaways, and we are gonna do some eyelash challenges. I look forward to hearing from you guys. So again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.